Hello friends, welcome to TrendTech Guide. Today I will show you how to get Google Docs on Android phone. So let's start. First of all, you can see here I don't have my Google Docs on my Android phone. So if your Android phone is also missing Google Docs, then first of all head on to this Play Store. Then search for Google Docs. And search. And over here you can see here is Google Docs. It is already installed but is disabled. So to enable, just tap on this enable. And also if it is not up to date, then we can update. So you can see here I have pressed update and my app is being updated. So you can see here as soon as the download is completed, it's being installed in my phone. After the installation is complete, you can just open and use your Google Docs. In this way, we can download and install Google Docs on Android. So if you find this helpful, please like, share and subscribe.